Welcome everybody, welcome back from that long extended layoff. How is everybody? Everybody happy to be back in school?
Yes.
Yes? How about a little bit louder?
Yes!
Hey, okay, that's great. Okay, so we're gonna just get jumped in because we've missed 2 months of school already, so we're gonna get started. Now this is math, this is your math portion of this class, and I want to ask you now, can anybody show me a hand or say yes or no? Does anybody know what a function is? By the sound of crickets, I'll take that as a no. So today our lesson, we're going to show you what a function is. We're going to show you that if you plug certain numbers in, that you get certain numbers out. And with that, we're also going to be looking for something called a pattern. Have we heard of patterns? Yeah? I want you to look around the room. There's patterns everywhere around us, right? Yeah? Probably patterns in life also. Okay? So I'm going to show you this really quick, and then we're going to do a demonstration of what a pattern is. So these are called algebra patterns, and this is one number, and you'll have the worksheet, you have it right in front of you, but I'm going to work out one for you. So it's going to start off also with a list like this, list of numbers, and this is going to be X and Y. And this will be the formula we're using to find our pattern. See the X? We already know what our numbers are on this side. So we're trying to find out what number, if we plug this one into here, will pop out as an equal. So let's try this one, look. So 2, I'm going to replace that X with this number, 2 plus 12. This is 4 plus 12. And do we know this? 12 plus 4 is 16! So 16. 16 is that first one there. Let me show you one more. Actually, I'll do 2 more really quick. And that 5, I'll just do that quickly. 12, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 12 is 22. We have a lot of sleepy people still right now. We're still on a extended vacation schedule. I'm going to do one more. So that Y equals 2 times 8 plus 12, 16 plus 12 is 28. So 28. Now I'm going to ask you really quick, do we see a pattern here? 16, let's count from 16 to 22. 16. Altogether, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that is 6 here. Now what's the number between that 5 and this 8? 22 and 18, or 22 and 28? How many numbers do we have there? So let's count. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 6. Is there a pattern?
Yeah.
Are they're only what? How many apart?
6.
6. So there is a pattern. That's what we're looking for with these functions. We're plugging in these numbers to see if there's patterns. So let's do a little game. So we're going to do something called, I don't know if you've ever heard of it before, it's called 4 corners. Yeah, you heard 4 corners? Okay, part of this 4 corners is, it's going to be A, B, C, and D. So 4 corners. I'm going to ask you a question. So, did anybody out there walk to school today?
Which one's A, B, or C?
A, is anybody walk to school today? No, you? Okay, you go over there. So this is going to be a letter over here, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so B, anybody ride their bike to school today? No, okay. Let me look around. Okay, anybody get a ride to school today? Did you get it right at school today? All right, you get your little self over here. Okay, anybody get to school any other way? I don't know, plane, helicopter, I mean, there's so many different ways. You? All right, we're gonna get you over here. All right, so that is a little bit of warm up. Now go ahead and sit down. I'll ask you another one. So, oops, I lost all my pens. So, let me ask you. We're gonna do four corners again, but anybody have a birthday? Oh, actually, no, we'll do the clothes one. So the clothes, who is wearing, anybody wearing blue? Oh, I see over there. Okay, you get an A. Anybody wearing red? Red, anybody? Ready? Okay, see some of y'all wearing patterns over here. Anybody wear black today? Black? No? Okay. Anybody wearing white? All right, you get over here. Now we see how, like, with different scenarios, these different people move and change. Sometimes there's a pattern, but with like clothing, you'll see she's wearing different colors. So it's hard sometimes to figure out, is this white or is this going in a different category? So today we're going to learn, like, as we put these numbers in, how they make sense because they make a certain pattern, even though sometimes we don't. But go ahead and sit down. That's my little demonstration here. So with the children, after going over this example, we're going to be giving each one of them, you can come over here and zoom in on this, a worksheet. Now we already worked out part of the first one. They're going to be giving this example, and after that they're going to be asked to do the rest of these. So this is our function worksheets right here. Now after spending some time with that, just figuring out how to plug these numbers in and make a function, we're going to move on to this other worksheet, and we're going to be determining what the pattern is. So in this one, we already have our numbers. If you can zoom in here, right here, you see, Talia, we already have our numbers. Remember how up here on the board I said, like, from here to here is 6, and from here to here is 6? With this worksheet, you're going to be looking at the patterns between a number, and you're going to see, did I add 8? Did I add 11? Or did I subtract? You'll be able to find out, just because of what we did, what the actual pattern is.
Okay.
Okay, doesn't it sound exciting? Yeah. Okay, let me give you 30 minutes of class on to do that. All right, 30 minutes is over. How did we do? Yeah. No, I want to hear you say, I did amazing. I did amazing. You did amazing? Okay, give me a high five. You want some treasure box action after this?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, you did amazing, right? Okay, we're going to do one more function activity. Now this one will be a little bit more fun because we want to make sure that everybody is on the same page and we're all working together as a group because we're all able to help each other to grow and to help each other learn, right? Okay, this is going to be our next little game. What I want you to do is, I'm going to hand out people in your group, one of these guys. Who you got there? Show me.
Superman.
So we have Superman in the house. We have
Thor.
We have Hulk. We have
Captain America.
All right, you're on a roll so far. We have
Spider-Man.
And we have
Iron Man.
Okay, we're going to have our superheroes help us out a little bit. On the other cards, we're giving these to other classmates, so you'll get, like, let's say you get... Now, my favorite student here, she has a couple of these characters here, and if you notice very quickly, they have plus 32 times 6 on the top. Now, those numbers are going to be associated with these inputs. Now, the other part of this is your other students are going to be giving this, and some of the students are going to be giving a superhero. Now, your job, if you were able to do it, is to find out who Iron Man or Thor match with. Now, you're going to have to do that by having a conversation, going up to the other students, and asking, what are your functions? Let me see if this matches up with Thor. Okay, go ahead and you practice with me. Let's see if we can do that. So come on, get up out of your little cubby. Walk around. Let's pretend I'm a student. Hey, what do you got there? Thor, what does it say on top?
Times 6.
Times 6. Let me see if I got that one. Well, I got 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And look, there's a pattern there. 36, and you subtract 6 and it's 30. You subtract another 6 is 24. You subtract another 6, or you actually multiply another 6 and it's 42. So that's 6's, isn't it? 6 times 6 is?
36.
And 6 times 5 is?
50.
I think you found your little function. There you go. Good job.
Yay!
And you also, guess what? You made a friend. Okay, now if time permits, and we do have a little bit of time after class, we're going to, not after class, but during class, we're going to be doing, I'll show the students briefly how to do how to work a function machine. It's very similar to what we were doing a second ago. We plug in the number, and the number pops out at the end, and then we find out like if it's added 17, add 16, add, what's that one, 19. But that's just only if time permits. I really want to end this on this exit ticket right here with the superheroes because I feel like that's a fun thing to do, and it also kind of like it leaves a more of a lasting impression for kids. So I feel that this is like a really good exit ticket for us. And we'll only do the function thing only if time permits. Now I'll end with asking if anybody has any questions or anything that you want to bring up after class with me, and I definitely will be here for you. Do you have any questions, class? Anybody? Talia? Yeah, make eye contact.
I didn't use Iron Man.
Next time we'll use Iron Man, I promise. Okay, thank you for coming to class. It's been a pleasure seeing all of you. It's been so long. Those of you that fell asleep, I understand we're all on a different schedule right now, but I hope to see you all again soon. Thank you.